New technology today. Shark. Shark. He wants to go now to his charging machine. Did you go na, no? So that he can go to his charging machine and use Lubat. So, this is now the new technology. When you push him, he will go back there to his charger. Because he's Lubat now. See? Ayaw mo na sa atin natin kung charge siya. He's going back to his charging machine. Let's see what he's going to do. You see? He's positioning his right angle. See? He's positioning him. What is doing? Okay, here is the right direction. Looks like there's a difficulty to go there. So let's position himself. It's backward first. Okay, now he's going there. Because it's low back. He's going there to charge. See? Oh, good. That's what I'm saying. He needs to charge. Shark. He needs to be charged. That's why. Don't laugh. That's a new technology now. See? Charging. See? It's good. And later on, after charge, you will see full charge. This machine is, you can use him. He can perform vacuum. He can also perform map. Vacuum and map. So 2 in 1. So keep charging and keep charging later. Do your job again, huh? So this cost is only, I think, $400, but this is a sale, so it makes $300 only in Costco. So he's charging right now.